Today, make a simple map animation. Can be placed in your own travel vlog. Let's start the tutorial. Create a new 1920 by 1080 main composition. Drag in the map. Press S to scale to 50. Select the area you want to go to. Turn on 3D. Click on the blank area. Select the pen tool. Draw a path. Click the Bezier curve. Adjust the curvature. Add a trim path. Keyframe the endpoint. Start at 0 to 6 seconds. Set to 100. Open the shape. Change the stroke to red. Add a dash line. Add a projection effect. Turn on 3D. Create a new 28mm camera. Create a new null object. Turn on the 3D null object and bring up rotation, scale, position. Activate keyframes. Camera secondary, assigned to the null object. Adjust keyframes. Select the angle and perspective of the requirement. Go to 6 seconds. Perform the same operation. Select all keyframes. F9 to ease. Check the effect. Import a small plane. Turn on 3D. Press S to reduce the size. Move to the starting point. Open the path of the shape layer. Copy and paste it onto the position of the plane. The last keyframe of the position. Move to 6 seconds. F9 ease. Press R to bring up rotation. Z-axis rotation. Set a keyframe. Because it's 3D, in the transform options, cannot align to the path. Keyframe the scale at the start. The plane appears from nothing. Optimize the speed curve after F9. Reverse the operation at the end. From existence to nothing. Import another logo graphic. Turn on 3D. Adjust position and size. Key out the transparent channel with color key. Move the anchor point to the bottom. Adjust to the end position. Align the view by rotation. Keyframe the scale. From nothing to something. Then adjust the speed curve. Turn on motion blur. Create a new 500 by 500 composition. Make a glowing dot. Draw a circle. Add the glow effect. Add a Vigo expression to the transparency. Drag it into the composition. Turn on 3D. Adjust the position and size. Also add a drop shadow effect to the airplane. Press AA on the camera to enable depth of field. Adjust the focal length and aperture. Effect completed. Follow along and make it.